Hello and welcome to the Game Engine Coding live stream. This is part 109, part 40 of the GUI. Still doing sliders. We should be wrapping up today or tomorrow. So, just grabbing my laptop so I can see comments while I'm coding. And not going to do a long live stream, 20-30 minutes. Just wanted to make sure I got one done. Ran late, but again, rather get some short one done than get none done at all. Okay, so okay. Comments are loading on the laptops. Okay, so here we go. So we want to make it clickable. If I click the background, the actual knob should go over there. So we need to factor in scaling as well. It's another thing, because if I do scaling, if I set the scale to like 4, literally based on the original size. So if we change this, go to slider. So when we're doing this, let's see if we can just do this. If we get the scale once, if we get float scale equals underscore background dot get scale x, it's the same sort of scaling in x and y, so we'll just get one of them. So do that, and I'll copy and paste this for this. We'll do this. I can see a way of improving this already by making it so we only get these ones, because obviously a function call is a pretty intensive process, as is a operation, but it's just a store in a local variable. No, that didn't quite work the way I'd hoped. What if I did it without the radius there? Not radius, without the scale. I think we have to keep moving that one there. What if I do that? Do I need to change it for... this as well. Percentage moved along. Possible. They want to do it here as well, and well, we'll find out in a second. That seems good. We said slider jump in here, didn't we? Pretty sure we did slider jump. So if we do like, let's do an uneven number, something that doesn't evenly divide into the max or into the range, I should say. I haven't tested this out. The idea is it should get to the end. Fix that. That should be a pretty. That should be like a 2-minute fix. So when we do this, if greater than 100, then we'll say it equals to 100. Else if it is less than 0, we'll say it equals 0. And give this a run. Okay, so see what happens if I just do that. Oh no. That's never going to be greater than that. So it's normalized, isn't it? It should be this. That should fix the bug now. No, that did not fix the bug. Either way, let's just print this out, see what we got. and see how it is without the scale. See the scale messing things up. If not, then obviously there's a deeper problem here. No, see, still this problem. No. Nope, no. Instead of this, we're gonna say, I think I got it. If underscore value is greater than underscore maximum value, then underscore value equal underscore maximum value. If the underscore minimum value is less, nope. If underscore value is less than that, then we'll say underscore minimum value is equal to minimum. Let's see how well that works then. There's too many features taking 6 minutes now. Seems all good. Okay, so we fixed that bug and we factored in the scaling as well. So now I just wanted to make this a bit leaner. So where we're doing a radius, so we want to get float. Scaled, so times by scale, and then we'll have something similar for the background width. Copy and paste this, and then we'll have another one, and this will be the background X position. And this will literally just be this. Just saves on function calls then. Okay, so if we grab that, and everywhere that we're using this, we literally will put this. It'll be less code there as well, so it's easier to manage as well. Also that benefit. We're using it down here. Using it down there. We're using it anywhere else? Not yet. So now let's actually get the width and replace all instances of that. So there's one here. There's one over here. And now let's do the same thing for the background X position. That's the knobs position. and here as well. So there's only just this one. I'd rather not be. Do we need to create a variable for that? Don't really need it, so let's just do this. This still works. Hey sir, Demi Rail says good luck, thank you very much. Tech Talk says bro, which language you are using? C++. The glorious C++. Okay, so that's working. Scaling has been factored in, and I wanted to do be able to click on somewhere on the background. So if it's the mouse button. Oh, we can get rid of all of this then. I believe we can. Oh, you're also computer science with good stuff. Then I gonna need that, maybe not. I mean, we might just be able to do this. I'm not too sure if this is even gonna work the way I'm expecting it to. If it does, it makes things a lot easier. So I can do it like that now. It's almost there. Read comments, bro. I have been. You said I am also a computer student. Which app are you trying to make? I'm trying to make a game engine. So that's never triggered until moved. Obviously. I'm gonna put that in its own method. Yep. So I'm gonna put that in its own private method, and that's gonna be called void knob. Are you a freelancer? No, I run my own business. Done some freelance work before. No, I'm not a freelancer. Can't return type. No return type, no parameters. Knob. Plain and simple. I want this in a different order. I want this to be placed where I'm actually doing this. Okay, so what we're gonna say is we're gonna whack all this in here. Oh, is this I don't like. Okay, so we need to pass in the event. That should fix those errors. That's good. And now in here, if we just call move knob and we put event, and if we do the same thing in here as well, what I'm gonna say, I'm not even gonna bother with any of this. Now I'll say it's better to do it that way. We might want to move it directly anyway, so it's probably best if we do this. Okay, I have completed my C language. Now I'm learning C++. Good stuff. C was the first one I learned, not the first language, but the first like C type language. I learned Visual Basic first, so basic I guess, and did some HTML, a bunch of other stuff, but then went on to C at uni, C++. A year after that. Hello, what graphical API are you using? Nothing. That's what we're doing. We're actually creating. If we look, title of the video is GUI, so we're creating our own. Obviously, I guess you might be asking, underneath we are using SFML. We're building the game engine on top of that. Tech talk. I am learning C# these days. Any advice? I would say generic advice. Do projects. When you learn something, start a project. Let's say a calculator, maybe a simple game, depending on what you're doing. Then once you learn something new, improve that. So if you start learning about references and pointers, implement those features in what you've created. Let's say a calculator, make that calculator better, more efficient, add more features, and just go that way. Don't get disheartened by what you're doing doesn't look anything fancy, for example. That doesn't matter. Okay, I know C isn't the same thing as C#, but it is similar. Yeah, similarities. If you can give advice, please, regarding what? It's Moonlight. I am also new. I don't get the question. Stay away from C#, but I need to do some Unity. Nokia Lumia 925 root, please help me. I don't get the question. Are you saying how to root it or what? Yes, that's event.mouse move. Instead of mouse move, event dot mouse any other events? It's only these two events. If that's the case, there's a way that I can figure out how to fix this. Also, they don't quite work. And every subsequent click gets messed up for some reason. I'm gonna wrap up now. Like I said, I just wanted to do a simple live stream just to make sure I got something done, and hopefully tomorrow I will wrap up the slider. Okay, so just wrapping up now, and let me just sliders, clickable background, broken. Push origin, and this is 101.10, 41. Done. So I'll see you tomorrow. I will do a longer live stream tomorrow, an hour tomorrow. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you then. Bye bye.